Hello, this is Shoaib Ahmed and I am an AI professional working in one of the top IT firm, and my company is hiring, and we are looking for the employee who are capable of working 24/7, who never sleep, never eat, even though never demand for any casual or medical leave, just deliver. And the best part is who never take a coffee breaks. I know like you guys are thinking how does it practically possible? Today I get a call from one of my friend and he asked a very direct question. Will AI agents really replace human in the future? So my answer is yes. Because these days all IT companies are purely focused on creating the AI agent. Even though I am the AI professional and I am one of them, like my daily job is creating the AI agents. So we believe that AI agents are far more capable. They actually work as a human in a team and they are capable of delivering the high quality work. Imagine the scenario that you awake in the morning and you ask your agents to book a flight ticket and to schedule the meeting in the calendar and write a mail to client. So even though without hitting your finger, yeah, it's a future and it is possible. And allow me to show you a small demo. Here I create a small demo to show you guys how agent works and how they coordinate within a team. So this is the code based on the LangChain and LangGraph framework, and here I create two agent: React agent, a research agent, and booking agent. Research is for searching something on web and booking is for flight booking. This code and this LangGraph LangChain maybe we'll discuss in some other video, like if you guys request for. And this is the flow like which show this supervisor is the actually team lead and these two are the team member. Like when some task is assigned, so basically the supervisor assigns to the right agent. And we'll directly jump to the demo. We'll discuss this thing in maybe some separate video. So here I already run this chatbot and I already asked one question: what is the temperature in Dubai? And it give the answer from the web search. Now I'm gonna ask one more question: book a flight for Dubai, and waits for agent to answer. See, he answered me and my flight is perfectly booked. Now I hope you understand that how powerful the agents are. This is the why that I said it's a future employee. Start learning agentic AI. Thank you so much for watching the video.